Have you noticed your skin looking older or developing dark spots? Sun exposure might be the culprit. Sun-damaged skin is more common than you think, and it can lead to wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and that rough, uneven texture none of us want. The good news is that you can take steps to protect and even repair your sun-damaged skin. Start by making sunscreen your best friend. Wear it every day, rain or shine. Also, avoid peak UV hours and gear up with protective clothing like wide-brimmed hats and UV-blocking sunglasses. And if you're already seeing the signs of sun damage, don't fret. Powerful treatments like retinoids, vitamin C serums, and even chemical peels are known to improve the appearance of sun-damaged skin by promoting collagen production and evening out skin tone. Don't let sun damage steal your glow. With the right care, you can maintain healthy, radiant skin all year round. Contact our experts at Vibrant Skin Bar for additional information. Come vibe with us, like and subscribe.